Hello everyone, welcome again to Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In this video, we will create the platforms because in the last ones we created and we finished the holders for the screws on both the right side and the left side. So we will do only on the left side the holders because they will support the screws, and then we will do the same on the right casing. So let's see. What I can do is just to use the sketch that I created before, this one, and I will extrude the planes. A very important thing, let's do it step by step. So first I will do all the vertical ones and then the horizontal ones. Because if I do all of them together, I will not be able to delete them when they will be outside of the casting. Because it will be too much geometry to be processed. So I will do this and this. And that's all the verticals that I have. I will press E on the keyboard to extrude. I will join. And I will delete what I did. Okay. Good. And now I can do the other ones. I will not select anymore the cylinders. And I will extrude. I will join. And I will click OK. And now I will delete the extra ones. And I will hide the sketch to have an easier job. Apparently, Fusion doesn't want to delete this one. Maybe because we have here some hard parts to process. Let's see. Computed fail. Cannot delete individual faces. To delete the whole body, please use the browser or selection filters. Okay, but this is a whole body. So what I will do is to go here to extrude and edit the feature. I will not select anymore this one. And I will click OK. And now what I will do, I will edit the sketch and I will divide this into multiple parts. And let's see if, okay, now let's extrude them, as I said, one by one. Join, let's make it smaller, and let's delete it. It worked. Now let's go with the other one. Okay, it didn't work. Not a problem. We go back. I will edit the sketch and I will create again something smaller. I will finish the sketch and now let's try it again. So I'll use the extrusion. I will join. I will delete. It worked. And now the other one, let's try it again. Another idea is to don't go very, very far away. So when we reach the point needed, to be outside, just finish. And let's see if it works. And it worked. I think I will delete this face also, so the Fusion will repair this part. So at this point, let's hide the sketch. We have all the platforms needed. Here I can see an imperfection, so I'll delete those parts of the sketch, and with direct editing, Fusion will automatically make the updates. And we have everything needed. But as you can see, we don't have those curves. So we'll need to use these sketches in order to create the curves. So, but for now, we can save, add platforms on the right, on the left casting, and see you in the next video.